Hello guys, you guys want to see a hack job? This is what you call hackjob.com. That is a real hacky job. Drain, no B-trap, drain. Hack job. Freddy. This is a hack fucking job, man. Those guys were probably like, oh no, let me not say it. I was gonna say it. Forget it. I won't say it. Just doing a little PM here. Checking the flame sensors, igniter, everything. Pretty much I'm just going through it all. That's that hacked stuff up there upstairs is crazy. She's running 90% flux here. Bullshit unit. This is my own little side contract that I take care of on the side besides my job. Make a little extra money on the side, you know. Just double checking everything, getting prepared for winter time. That's what they want. I give them what they want. I want to show you guys this hack job that these fuckers did here. I mean, everything looks nice as far as lined up, but just look at these thermostat wires, man. This is fucking horrendous. How much hack can a hackman hack if a hackman could hack? I don't know if that even makes sense. I just know that this looks terrible. Could have ran conduit. This is coming straight from like the first, second, third floors like this. Could have ran, you know, 1/2-inch conduit, 1-inch conduit with all the wires coming up here, and then, you know, branch off or whatever. Seal tight or I don't know, man. That's just terrible. This is one of my buildings that I do for myself. I got the contract here. I do this. I got a little LLC that I opened up. It's called Tanner Mechanical LLC. I'm just trying to build it up little by little, and you know, hope one day I just go on my own, you know. But I'm not ready for it yet. I don't have the money. You know, I'm just not ready right now. But this is a good start off. I got 14 units here that I take care of. Pretty good money too. You know, I get pretty good money for this building. This is my first day doing maintenance here. I just actually got the contract, so I'm gonna put in a proposal to take care of all this nonsense here. These are all for the they got 90% furnaces and 95 Lennox units here. So we got, man. Just wanted to show you guys how terrible a job can look. You know, the company that did this didn't give a shit about nothing. No quality, no pride. Made in China. Made in China. That's how it is. Horrible. Alright, fellas, thank you for watching. If you like this video or any other video, please subscribe, share, comment, rate, all the good stuff. Thank you, fellas.